Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Azure Cosmos DB. We will go through the official documentation from Microsoft so that we don't miss anything, and in the next sessions we'll cover the practical sessions wherein we'll configure the Cosmos DB and look for the other properties and how to configure it. So let me just open up the Microsoft official documentation and take it from there. Here it is. Welcome to Azure Cosmos DB. It says today's applications are required to be highly responsive and available and always online to achieve low latency and high availability. Instances of these applications need to be deployed in data centers that are close to their users. Applications need to respond in real time to large changes in usage at peak hours, store ever increasing volumes of data, and make this data available to users in milliseconds. Azure Cosmos DB is Microsoft globally distributed multi-model database. With a click of a button, Cosmos DB enables you to elastically and independently scale throughput and storage across any number of Azure regions worldwide. We can elastically scale throughput and storage and take advantage of fast single-digit millisecond data access using the favorite API including SQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, Tables, or Gremlin. Cosmos DB provides comprehensive service level agreements, throughput, latency, availability, and consistency guarantees. So we will try the Cosmos DB as well. The Cosmos DB is available throughout these regions. It provides global distribution, elastic scale out, guaranteed low latency, 5 consistency models, comprehensive SLAs. And if you would look for the key benefits, it says turnkey global distribution. The Cosmos DB allows you to add or remove any of the Azure regions to the Cosmos account at any time with a click of a button. Cosmos DB will seamlessly replicate the data to all the regions associated with the Cosmos account while your application continues to be highly available. It is always on by virtue of deep integration with Azure infrastructure and transparent multi-master applications. Cosmos DB provides 99.999% high availability for both reads and writes. Cosmos DB also provides you with the ability to programmatically or via portal invoke the regional failover of the Cosmos account. Elastic scalability of throughput and storage worldwide. Designed with transparent horizontal partitioning and multi-master replication, Cosmos DB offers unprecedented elastic scalability for the writes and reads. We can elastically scale up from thousands to hundreds of millions of requests per second around the globe with a single API call and pay only for the throughput we need. This capability helps us to deal with unexpected spikes in the workloads without having to over provision for the peak. It provides a guaranteed low latency at 99 percentile worldwide. Using Cosmos DB, we can build highly responsive planet-scale applications with its novel multi-master replication protocol and latch-free and write-optimized database engines. Cosmos DB guarantees less than 10 millisecond latencies for both reads and writes to at the 99th percentile all around the world. This capability enables sustained ingestion of data and blazing fast queries for highly responsive apps. Precisely defined multiple consistency choices. When building a globally distributing applications in Cosmos DB, we no longer have to make extreme trade-offs. Cosmos DB's multi-master application protocol is carefully designed to the 5 well-defined consistency choices, which is strong, bounded stainless, session, consistent prefix, and eventual. It has no schema or index management. It is battle-tested database service. Okay, Cosmos DB is a foundational service in Azure. For nearly a decade, Cosmos DB has been used by many of Microsoft products for mission-critical applications at global scale, including Skype, Xbox, Office 365, Azure, and many others. Today, Cosmos DB is one of the fastest growing service on Azure, used by many external customers in mission-critical applications that require elastic scale. turnkey global distribution, multi-master replication for low latency and high availability. It is a ubiquitous regional model, presence secure by default and enterprise ready. It has a significant total cost of ownership savings, industry leading comprehensive SLAs. It is globally distributed operational analytics and AI with natively built in Apache Spark. It is a develop applications on Cosmos DB using popular open source software APIs and the solutions that will benefit from Azure Cosmos DB, any web, mobile, gaming, and IoT applications that needs to handle massive amount of data, reads and writes at a global scale with near real responses. And because Cosmos DB is guaranteed high availability, so it is used to build for IoT and telemetrics, retail and marketing, gaming and web and mobile applications. So I wanted to cover the basics theory of Azure Cosmos DB. Now, in the next video, we will create a Cosmos DB resource in the Azure portal. We will also have a look at how can we work with the Azure Cosmos DB resources, set up the global distributions, and apply some security using the IP firewall around it. So I hope you liked this theoretical video. I'll see you in the next session with the practicals. Thank you. Have a great day.